In this video, I'll help you find the best air fryer. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. First on my list is the Ninja AF101 air fryer, available for $99. This multifunctional appliance offers a healthier alternative to traditional frying, cutting down fat content by up to 75%. It boasts a versatile temperature range from 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodating a wide array of cooking needs. The 4-quart capacity makes it ideal for preparing family-sized meals. Enjoy the convenience of air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating all in one device. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. Many users rave about it, with one dubbing it the best appliance since the microwave, landing its quick cooking and effortless cleanup. While one user points out a learning curve to master food preparation, a few have reported a noticeable plastic smell, highlighting a potential area for improvement. Then we have the Ninja DZ550 Foodi, priced at $206, a larger and more advanced air frying solution. This model features 2 independent baskets, allowing simultaneous cooking of different foods, perfect for diverse meal preparations. The Foodi Smart Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. With a generous 10-quart capacity, it's well suited for larger families or entertaining guests. It offers 6 versatile cooking programs and is user-friendly in terms of maintenance. Users praise its versatility and ease of use, with one noting its frequent use for a variety of meals. Some, however, find the basket sizes limiting for larger family needs and feel it lacks certain desired features such as category cook functions. Despite its higher price point, some users feel the range of features could be more extensive. Moving to the next item, we got the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart air fryer, available for $179, a versatile cooking companion. It features 2 independent frying baskets, offering flexibility in preparing different dishes simultaneously. The 8-quart capacity and 6 cooking functions make it a suitable choice for varied culinary needs. Users commend its efficiency in cooking and the convenience of its cleaning process. One user considers it the best air fryer on the market, particularly praising its dual temperature zones and ease of cleaning. However, the basket size is noted as a limitation for those with larger families, suggesting it may not meet the needs of everyone. This model balances functionality and capacity, making it a popular choice for those seeking versatility in their cooking appliances. Next, we got the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE, priced at $99 for a swift and versatile cooking experience. This model boasts a 5-quart capacity and employs 360-degree rapid heat circulation technology, cooking meals up to 20% faster. It features 9 easy-to-use cooking functions and a sleek tempered glass display. Users are particularly fond of its intuitive controls and the simplicity of cleaning. One user highlights its versatility, successfully preparing a range of dishes from homemade fries to roasted vegetables. Some users, however, wish for additional features and user presets and note concerns about a new unit smell. This air fryer's combination of rapid cooking technology and user-friendly interface makes it a favorite for those looking for efficiency and convenience in their kitchen appliances. Finally, we got the Cuisinart 6-quart air fryer, attractively priced at $143. This culinary marvel isn't just an air fryer, it's a versatile kitchen companion offering a plethora of cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and keeping your food perfectly warm. The unit's sleek design is complemented by a user-friendly digital display featuring 5 easy-to-use presets, making your cooking experience simpler and more enjoyable. Its spacious 6-quart capacity makes it an ideal choice for families, enabling you to cook generous portions effortlessly. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to its non-stick dishwasher-safe components, ensuring more time is spent enjoying your meals rather than cleaning up. Users are enamored with its whisper-quiet operation, praising its ability to cook effectively without the noise and fuss. Another standout feature is its minimal odor emission, a significant improvement over other models, making it a favorite in modern kitchens. However, it's not without its quirks. Some users have noted that the presets can be tricky to navigate and the viewing window poses a challenge, but these are minor hiccups in the otherwise stellar appliance. So, in conclusion, the world of air fryers is diverse, each model tailored to meet specific culinary desires and needs. The Ninja AF101 shines for small family units and beginners in air frying, offering simplicity and efficiency. For larger families or those seeking culinary versatility, the Ninja DZ550 and DZ201 are unmatched with their advanced features and adaptable cooking modes. The COSORI Pro LE strikes a perfect balance between a high-end performance and user-friendly operation, catering to both novice and experienced cooks. However, the Cuisinart 6-quart air fryer truly stands out for its serene operation and user-centric design, making it a top contender in the air fryer arena. When selecting the ideal air fryer, consider your cooking habits, the size of your family, and the available space in your kitchen. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, ensuring there's a perfect match for every home chef. And there you have it, my list of the best air fryers. And don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video are down in the description of this video. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.